Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a loyalty points program in Odoo. So to set up a loyalty points program in this platform, you use the loyalty and rewards system so customers earn points when they buy products and later redeem them for discounts, free products or perks. So actually guys, first you will need just to enable the loyalty features. So you all need to go with the sales model right here, and then you will need to open the configuration option at the top bar as you can see, and then go with the settings. So it's the first option on the pop-up menu, right? So here guys, you will need to look for the coupon, promotion, or promotions and loyalty program. So just go and use the search bar here, look for the coupons, loyalty and gifts card, and here you will need just to check mark the option, and the same for the website, app or model, right? So both of them. And now just save changes, and that way you integrate the loyalty program indirectly, right? So and an automated way, right? So now you can use it. All you need to do is to know that this allows the customers to earn points on purchases and redeem rewards later, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next one.